So the KFC have a promotion. I'm going on with 7-piece with $1,000 Jamaican dollar. So just look, hopefully. Them a work on the KFC by the way. Them a must be what you call it? Yeah, a facelift. Alright, Andrea said them a get a facelift. So renovate it. So them over here, so them a tile it, them dig up the old tile for tile, add new tile, and just look on the line inside the KFC. Just look right there, so in there so packed with people, and we inside of the drive-thru, and just look. Drive. I can't brought down this man. I come brought down in front of me now. Oh, and I brought down. And how long is that? So it go take a while before we get through. Case you throw one somebody work the drive-thru. Yeah. So that's why. Right, look. You can see me look at that shit different. I'm a look, understand? But yeah, when the line is come right at the front, so them can't even close the door. Very long.
Don't bother with the high grade, but they make me.
I'm reach on far in the line, so understand.
Beer or chicken. Glad I'm not name KFC.
What?
Beer or chicken, I'm not get a KFC, man.
Nah, get. Just if I raw chicken, me not come back. But you know, everybody they try, so why not? Why not try?
Or stale chicken.
Whatever.
Like KFC have a whole heap of chicken, I'm going to try it. Read
At that time, first thing I say a stale chicken, but let's see.
So it's not a 7-piece of chicken.
I'm going to rub out KFC if the chicken not taste good.
Oh.
Alright, see my order this. Them say them never have the $1,000 thing, so my order this. I go to mommy one and me one, but with KFC chicken, me like hot and spicy. So I now go this.
Yeah.
How where we they go? So I don't want this. Me tell you know, so the woman had no sense, you know. I tell the woman some want barbecue chicken. It's like good when you search your things. Hold on. Oh yes, the barbecue chicken. Barbecue chicken, so I'll be wrong. So.